Here is the step-by-step process of how to place a Front Porch Pantry order on your phone. First, visit our website, frontporchpantry.com. To access all of the tabs, click on the three bars located at the top left corner of the screen. Then, click Menu. Now you are on our menu. Here is where you can see our available entrees, single servings, desserts, and more. Now, scroll through our menu to select the items you want to order. Remember that if you want more information about a product, you can always click on it, and when you scroll down, you will see 4 tabs with information on product details, preparation, ingredients, and nutrition. When you know what you want to order, click Add to Cart. Click on Continue Shopping if you want to keep adding items to your cart. Continue adding products. If for some reason you stop seeing the Continue Shopping button, remember you can scroll down and it will show up. After you are done adding items, click on Go to Cart. Now, you can review the items you are ordering, adjust them if necessary, and add a tip. When you are ready, click Checkout. On the checkout page, enter your contact information, including email, phone number, and shipping address. Then click on Continue to Shipping. Scroll down again and select a delivery or shipping date from the ones available. Click on Continue to Payment. You can pay with a card or PayPal. Fill out your payment information and click on Pay Now. And that's it. You placed a Front Porch Pantry order on your phone.